Director Kim Kesti here at Fun Stamper's Journey, and I'm so excited to announce that we have a brand new launch coming out soon, and it's called Easy Breezy Spring. And to celebrate that launch, we have a new project kit to share with you. I've got it right here, and let's just dive right in and check out what it's all about. So here's a fun box of product that you are going to get just in time to celebrate the brand new launch. First of all, it has 2 project cards, which actually have 4 projects because they're double-sided. I'm going to show you these projects in real life in just a minute, but you're going to want to hang on to these. They have the supply list and detailed instructions to make all the projects that are in here. And first of all, this is such a diverse kit. I love the variety of products we have in here. Let's start with a baby pinwheel die. How cute is that? I can't wait to show you the project in just a minute that we created with this little guy. So cute. And then we have an embossing folder. I think this is the first time we've had an embossing folder in our project kit. This is called Sunshine and Rainbows. And again, I'm going to show you the project we made. It's so super cute. This is such a fun one. So we've got Spring Build-A-Scene, and actually this has a matching die. Let's dig that out. So this is one of our little ATS size stamps, totally packed with images. This little set has 18 stamps in it. Absolutely love it. It's all about spring and bicycles and kites and so many fun things. And it has a matching die, but it not only has dies that match images, but also these fun extra dies. And you're going to see those in action in just a minute too. So love this coordinating die with our little spring build-a-scene there. Then we have this fun accessory, and it's called Rainbow Bling. You can kind of get the idea of the theme we've got going on here, right? It's all about rainbow and sunshines and raindrops even, as evidenced by this cute set. This is called Cute Boots. So fun. It's got the sweet little umbrella girl here with her little umbrella. It's going to be so fun to color and do all kinds of fun different projects with. And of course the rain and the puddle and so many fun things. I'll share some projects with that in a minute. And of course your kit also has 4 individually kitted out card projects. So that's what these cards are going to tell you how to do. But not only that, but you will also get an individualized video from me that tells about how to do each individual project. So that is going to be a great make and take. That's usually about a 2-hour-long video, and we have so much fun creating all these projects. So 4 kits, full-size stamp set, the mini stamp set, the accessory, the embossing folder, and the little die. Oh my gosh, so much fun. So let's take a peek at the projects real quick, because I know you'll enjoy these. Remember I talked about the baby pinwheel die? Here's the card we're going to create with our project kit. Super fun. So you've got the 3D pinwheel here. Super easy to assemble. I know that's going to be fun for all kinds of occasions. Cute little paper, and of course, like I said, everything comes in your kit. That is a great one. Then we've got the Cute Boots card, so using the Cute Boot stamp set. We've got this darling card. I love it so much. You're going to learn all the tips and techniques on how to create these raindrop splatters and how to get the great glossiness on her little umbrella and her little raincoat. So cute, and love that sentiment. Isn't it sweet? Super cute project. And then of course the Spring Build-A-Scene I was just bragging on has the matching dies, so you're going to have all kinds of fun creating so many different scenes for spring with this guy. This one includes a cute little frog sitting on his little pond in his lily pad, the bicycle, the little butterflies. Super fun. And last but not least, we've got that great embossing folder. And look how gorgeous this is. You're going to learn how to color that great embossing folder and really just make it your own. And there's even a little strip of the rainbow bling. How sweet. Super fun. I love that sentiment. So, all of the project kits right now are on the website. They are available to purchase, and they're an amazing discount for you. We've discounted the kits, I think somewhere around 30%. You guys are going to have to go to the website and check that out. But I know the original value for this kit was like $72, and it's on sale on the website for only $51. So not only do you get an amazing bundle of products, you also get them at a great, great price. So this kit is available right now. You can order it on our website at funstampersjourney.com. And then later on, we'll be sending you the link. Anyone who purchases the project kit will get the link for that make and take I was telling you about. That is so much fun. We'll just craft together and have so much fun, and I'll walk you through all of these amazing projects that are in this box. So I hope that you're intrigued. I hope you check it out. Again, visit our website as always if you have any questions. and we will certainly be able to help you out there. So have a great evening and have fun bringing paper to life.